Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys some DIY homemade ornaments for your Christmas tree. If you guys are new to my channel, every single year my kids and I, or just myself or just my kids, we love making brand new ornaments for our Christmas tree. We have so many memories on our tree and we absolutely love this tradition of making new ornaments every single year, and then the following year we put them on our tree. It's just, we love it. We love the tradition. So you guys, let's jump into the new DIY ornaments. This first DIY is this whipped cream mug ornament from Dollar Tree. They came in like an 8-pack. I am so excited to do this one. You guys, I want to thank ARTEZA for sponsoring today's video. You're going to see a lot of those 3-colored paints along with those paintbrushes throughout this entire video. I will link everything in the description box below, but I've been using ARTEZA paints and vinyl and acrylic markers, like you name it. I have used probably 80% of everything on the ARTEZA website. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy that I am sponsored once again by them this year. So I just painted the mugs. I'm using these fabric colors. Yes, they are for fabric, but you know, I thought they'd make the coolest whipped cream toppers for these ornaments, and I love how these turned out. The gingerbreads, if you guys haven't watched my gingerbread video, I'll link it in the description box, but these are just some leftover ones that I had. These also came from Dollar Tree. Actually, pretty much all these like ornaments all came from Dollar Tree, Dollar General, one or the other. It came from a dollar store. But yeah, I love these fabric markers or these fabric paints, and I absolutely love the way they look when they dried because they still had that really cool effect to them afterwards. And these are what these little mug ornaments look like. They were out in the fall time and I saved some for the Christmas time. So glad I did. DIYs, I'll be using the glitter. Yes, I know glitter is not always the best thing to use, but I love making these ornaments. So you use like a pledge or like a floor cleaner with these ornaments and you just squirt quite a bit in there. I like to get all the sides really wet and with this like mop floor cleaner, and then you just add the glitter, shake it all around, and the glitter sticks to it. I will tell you guys, we did some of these last year and they are still looking really good. And I used another ornament, ripped the little Santa belt off to make a really fun Santa, and then painted the bottom. These are with ARTEZA acrylic markers. They're almost like paint pens, paint markers is what I like to call them. Painted the bottom so it looks more like Santa, and I love this ornament. And like I said, this glitter is super fun to use when it comes to these plain like glass or plastic ornaments. I did quite a few, so I'm going to show you guys a couple more. So for this one, I found these really cute light bulb ornaments, these little DIY ornaments. Once again, the Pledge Floor Care. And then I just, you know, and if there's too much, you can always just dump it out, but you never have enough in there because if you don't have enough around the edges of your ornament, the glitter will not stick. So I'm just using a blue color, and then I ended up going in with a red color once again. And I love that there's so many different colors of glitter. You can have glitter for all seasons and all holidays of the year, but I really wanted these to be like the more like vintage organic type bulbs, I suppose, like around Christmas time. Like we all like the white lights, but you know what? These ones are really fun too. What they look like when they are all done. I think these are so cute. You could not even tell these were actually made with mop cleaner and just some fun glitter. These actually just look like something you would buy in the store, and I think that's why I like them the most. I had another one of these clear DIY ornaments on hand. I thought I would just make a green one and then just add a fun ornament to the center. I love adding ornaments on top of ornaments on top of ornaments and making your own. I think it's just really fun, and I love this green. We are from Michigan and we are Michigan State fans, so I thought this was the perfect color along with this little wood star from Dollar Tree. I just stuck it to the center, and I just wanted to show you guys an ornament that we made last year with a Dollar Tree ornament, and we actually used ARTEZA vinyl and ARTEZA glitter. It's the same glitter, but look at this ornament that we made last year. How cute is this one? Like I said, the glitter stays so well. And yes, 2020, that's what we did last year. It's overly easy. I'm using these little wood words from Dollar Tree. I'm just painting it with that red color. And like I said, I will link it all in the description box. You know exactly what colors that I used or what exact red color I used. And then I'm using the ARTEZA glue gun, the hot glue gun. It comes with glue sticks. I'm honestly obsessed with this. I honestly didn't think it was working when I first started using it, but it's because the glue gun doesn't drip. Like I always wait for my glue gun to drip and then I know it's turned on. But this one is amazing. 5 stars. Another ornament, this one's really quick and easy, just one of these wood words from Dollar Tree. And then I found this little wood plaque box type thing from Michael's. It was 99 cents. And then I'm going to be using this green color. I probably could have used 2 coats on this. I was kind of going light with it. I just left it because I kind of just liked the way it wasn't perfect. Imperfect is perfect to me. Quoted by me. Just painting the Mary, and then I just end up using some Mod Podge, and like I said, there's 54 colors of this glitter, and there's brown glitter. Can you believe that? So I wanted to add some glitter, and then you can just spray this later on, use some hairspray so the glitter doesn't budge. I didn't use enough Mod Podge, so there was some empty spots, but overall, super cute. Using the white ARTEZA paint, I am just painting this box, and then I'm going to be gluing everything together to make a super quick ornament. So now I'm going to be using their acrylic colors, and then these come in a box. I want to say like 20 or 40. Don't quote me on that. Like I said, I will link everything for you guys. Actually, I always have their stuff linked in my description box because like I said, I've been using it for years. But just using red, I want to say it's probably a crimson red color. A little wood plaque board from Dollar Tree, and an ornament. This was from Dollar General last year. I have so much stuff from last year, so I always just want to use it up. I have a tote or totes in the basement, so I always bring it up every year to see if I'm going to use something that is old. But yeah, this is that ornament. How cute. $2 for an ornament. Not bad. Next one is a favorite of mine. I'm using this Merry Christmas ornament along with this Christmas ornament in this color paint, Shamrock Green. Although it's not Christmas colored green, I really love this green color for Christmas time. And I just kind of ripped apart this ornament, and then I think I probably flipped it over. Not too sure, but I painted it, and then I just added this cute little ornament to the center along with a little embellishment to the top, and that is all I did for this one. But I'm dead serious, it's one of my favorites. You add the little galvanized piece to the top, put it back together, and it is super cute for your Christmas tree. That red is called Crimson Red. I'm doing another one of these little bulb type ornaments, painting it with this Crimson Red, and I'm going to make a Santa cam. Santa cams are really fun, and obviously my kids are too smart for my own good. They know this isn't real, but I just used my Cricut, cut out Santa cam using the ARTEZA vinyl along with their transfer tape. I actually really like their transfer tape. I've used a lot of transfer tape in my life, and this one has to be one of my favorites to use. But yeah, I'm just making a quick Santa cam, used my Cricut, and there we have it. A faux Santa cam that my kids know is not real. this next one, super easy. Wood planks in my crimson red color from ARTEZA, Dollar Tree planks, and then just painting this to make a fun little Santa mail ornament using some white vinyl. I love their vinyl because it is in just squares. It's not rolled. Non-rolled vinyl is my favorite. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing. I will leave links and a coupon code in the description box below for you guys. You can check out ARTEZA's products, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!